Hi, welcome to a day in my kitchen with Tonia. On today's episode, I will be sharing with you how I prepare my Nigeria party style jollof rice. Jollof rice is a unique and a major delicacy in every Nigeria parties. Trust me when I say that this food is just as delicious as it looks. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. To make our tomato and pepper mix, we're going to be using our red bell pepper, our tomatoes, cayenne pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and onion. We will be blending this to a smooth paste, after which we want to boil this until it gets thick. This is what it looks like after being boiled. Place your pot on the fire and add some vegetable oil. I'll be using the cast iron pot for this recipe because I feel it's best when cooking jollof rice. We'll add our vegetable oil and chopped onion and allow to fry until translucent. Always stir your onion so it doesn't burn. Once the onion is translucent and has released its flavor, add the tomato paste. You want to fry this for about 10 to 12 minutes to remove its tanginess. Always stir in between though so it doesn't burn. Tomato is properly fried now, so we'll be adding our pepper and tomato mix. After a minute, we'll be adding our salt, our garlic and ginger powder, paprika, crushed seasoning cube, jollof rice spice, bay leaf, white pepper, curry, and dried thyme. At this point, you will want to stir to properly combine before introducing your beef stock. After about 2 minutes, add your beef stock and stir. After cooking the sauce for about 2 minutes, we'll be adding our rice. Now this rice has been properly washed. Always wash your rice until the water runs clear. Now that you've added the rice, you want to stir to properly combine. Then you add just enough water to fill the rice up. Don't add too much water, because jollof rice doesn't cook with water, it cooks with heat. So you just want to add enough water to cover the rice. Now at this point, we'll be using our foil paper to cover up the rice. This will make it generate heat, and the heat cooks the rice, of course. Now you want to cook your rice for 20 to 25 minutes. When you notice the rice is not ready and the water has dried up, just add a little water, but avoid adding too much water so it doesn't become soggy. At this point, my rice is ready, so I'll be adding my onion, my butter, and my chopped red bell pepper, for the final touch. After stirring, I want to cover this for about 10 minutes, in order for it to burn a little, to give it that party jollof rice aroma. And that's why I say cast iron pot is best for cooking party jollof rice. You will not want to, of course, people use non-stick pot, but I still feel that this remains the best pot to cook your jollof rice. As you can see from the video, our jollof rice is looking beautiful, and trust me, the aroma was top notch. It was literally scenting around the whole house, and it's just as tasty as it looks. This jollof rice was so perfect, and you can prepare it with ingredients you have in your kitchen. So why don't you give yourself and your family a treat today? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.